Hello friends, welcome to you all in another interesting episode of Brit Facts. Today we will see an interesting fact about this world. Fact number 51. Humans have a stage of sleep that features rapid eye movement REM. REM sleep makes up around 25% of total sleep time and is often when you have your most vivid dreams. Fact number 50. Look at this picture. Look at this image. This pictures belong to a puffer fish. This is a skeleton of puffer fish. Fact number 49. And tobacco making companies spend the most money on advertising during the month of January, when more people will be attempting to quit smoking as a New Year resolution. Fact number 48. There is only one species of warm-blooded fish on earth, named the Opa, Lamprey's guttatus. Fact number 47. After 10 minutes of watching yourself in a mirror, your brain gets bored and distorts your reflection into imaginary creatures. Fact number 46. Look at this image. This is a face of an ant seen through a microscope. Fact number 46. Somewhere deep inside a jungle of Bali, Indonesia. This is in the Indonesia country known as Bejigria waterfall. Fact number 44. When a dog sees its owner, its brain releases an oxytocin, the same way your brain do when you are in love. Fact number 43. The most expensive wood in the world is African blackwood, which is extremely rare. The price of this wood is $10,000 per kilogram, and it takes about 15 years for this tree to be ready. Fact number 42. During an experiment at the Polytechnic Institute of New York University, a robotic fish was accepted by other fish and became their leader. Fact number 41. Most of us are familiar with the three monkeys that mean see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. But there is a fourth that symbolizes the principle of do no evil. Fact number 40. The smallest fruit in the world is the size of an ant and commonly known as Asian watermelon. Fact number 39. A beauty micrometer. In 1933, this device let users know where makeup needed to be applied. Fact number 38. The spiked dog collar was invented by the ancient Greek to protect their dogs from wolf attacks. Fact number 37. Scientists said that have witnessed the first living robot, xenobots, reproduced and in a way not seen in plants or animals before. Fact number 36. The line on a tablet is called débauche de line. In the line are usually found on higher power tablets so that they can be broken and half dose of it can be consumed. Fact number 35. The lightest material in the world is known as graphene aerogel. Is 7 times lighter than air. Can balance on the blade of a flower. Fact number 34. An orange-colored alligator in South Carolina. According to an official, this alligator overwintered in a rusty steel culvert and became dyed when the iron oxide contained in the water around its body. It will lose their coloration once it molds. Fact number 33. Look at this image. Look at this picture. This image is Weight of the Thoughts, sculpture by Thomas Leroy. Fact number 32. If you are having these holes called Venus holes on your lower back, that means you are not overweight and probably lead a healthy life. Fact number 31. A Canadian woman named Laura Faganello lost her memory due to a brain injury in an accident. 2 years later, she remarries the husband as she falls in love with him and all over again. Fact number 30. A fitness trainer intentionally gained over 70 pounds of better understand the flight of the overweight clients, then lost it all again 6 months later. Fact number 29. The world's tallest tree wrapped in aluminium to protect it from a wildfire. Fact number 28. This is an artificial intelligence based interpretation of what a Lady Liberty would have looked like if she was a real person. Fact number 27. When keyboards were first created, the @ sign was thought to be useless and there were a plan to remove it. Fact number 26. Shoes worn by Allied spies during World War II to mislead the Germans and steer them in the opposite direction. Fact number 25. Iceland kills whales. So, anonymous hackers shut down its government website. Whales do not have a voice. We will be a voice of them. Fact number 24. Since 1497, the United Kingdom has printed their laws on a vellum made from calf or goat skin. They continued to do this in order to uphold the tradition. Fact number 23. Garlic helps remove pain in ears, ear infections, and headaches quickly and effectively. Simply put a clean garlic clove in your ear. It fits perfectly in the ear. Fact number 22. Look at this picture. This is an iMac design from 1998 to 2021. Fact number 21. This is a capsule hotel in Japan offering tourists a cheaper alternative to hotels with prices as cheap as $10 at night. Fact number 20. A hooker leaves is a plant that looks like big red leaves and it pluckers up to attack pollination such as butterflies. Fact number 19. Lab research shows that the cockroach milk is more than 3 times as nutritious as a cow milk. Fact number 80. A drug lord, Pablo Escobar, spent $2,500 a month on a rubber bands to hold all his cash. Fact number 70. Most laughs that you hear on a TV shows today were recorded in 1950s. Means technically, you are hearing a dead people laugh. Fact number 60. In 2080, a homeless man being treated in Brazil got some unexpected visitors when the poor dog he had been looking after turned up at the hospital, wanting to see him. Fact number 15. In 2007, a married couple in Bosnia started chatting in online chat rooms. When they decided to meet in person, they realized they had been cheating on each other. With each other, the husband, the wife. Fact number 40. Scientists believe that a function of zebra stripes is to scare off an insect. So a team of researchers painted a black and white stripes on several cows and discovered that it reduces the number of biting flies landing on cows by about 50%. Fact number 30. A 23-year-old Mexican rapper named Dansur explained his natural hairs to get actual gold chains hooks surgically implanted into the scalp. Fact number 12. A frighteningly beautiful carved skull from Tibet. The artificial is believed to be around 3,000 years old. According to one version, the carving of the skull was a way to remove the curse from the. Fact number 11. In the 1640s, the Dutch inhabitants of New Amsterdam built a 12 wall to keep the bad hombres out. In 1664, the British ignored the wall and took New Amsterdam by sea. It's now called New York. They took down the wall and built a street called Wall Street. Fact number 10. The autopsy report revealed that Michael Jackson was partially bald and his lips, eyebrows, and scalp were tattooed. Fact number 9. This is a circular bridge in Uruguay country built to show and slow down the drivers so that they would enjoy the view. Fact number 8. A hungry chained bear asking for food for their slave driver. This is a really heartbreaking. No animal should be treated like this. Circuses are so cruel. Fact number 7. The longest anyone has ever survived on a shipwrecked raft was 133 days by a Chinese man named Pun Lim in 1942. He survived by fishing, catching seabirds, and drinking rain. He even killed a shark and drank its blood. Fact number 6. CIA revealed a heart attack gun in 1975, a battery operated gun which fired a dart of frozen water, a shellfish toxin. Once inside the body, it would melt, leaving only a small red mark on the victim where it entered. The official cause of death would always be a heart attack. Fact number 5. Cats can drink seawater, salt water. Unlike humans, they have kidneys that can filter out salt and use the water content to hydrate their bodies. Fact number 3. Handwritten job application of Steve Jobs. He wrote in it in 1973 after he dropped out from college. Fact number 2. It would take 120,000 mosquitoes each sucking once to completely drain the average human of blood. Fact number 1. Humans shed about 35 kilograms of skin in their lifetime. So friends, do subscribe this Brit Facts icon, hit the bell icon for more upcoming and interesting videos.